The internet, it's like a vast ocean. Friends, today we're going to talk about the internet, which is like a vast ocean. This ocean is so big that it's easy to get lost in it. In this ocean, there are countless websites, just like countless fish. Every website is a different story, a different world in itself. Some websites are easy to see, like boats floating on the surface of the ocean. These websites are always available to us. These websites are easily found on search engines like Google and Yahoo. These search engines take us to these websites without any difficulty. We call this the surface web because it's the part of the internet that's easy to see. This is the part that most people use. But friends, did you know that there's a whole world that exists in the depths of the ocean? This world is very mysterious and amazing. In the same way, there's a world hidden in the depths of the internet that's hidden from our view. This world is very different and unique. This is the world of the deep web and the dark web, where we're going to take you today. This world is as mysterious as it is exciting. Beneath the surface, an introduction to the deep web. The deep web, a mystery often misunderstood. Now let's talk about the deep web. It's an important part of the internet that's hidden from common search engines. This is the part of the internet that's hidden from the eyes of search engines. This part is usually separate from our everyday tasks. This doesn't mean that it's illegal. This part is legal and safe. In fact, most of the deep web is for ordinary people, like your bank account data, your email ID, social media accounts, and other personal information. All of this is part of the deep web. All this information is secure and confidential. This information is confidential and is kept hidden from search engines to keep it safe. This is necessary for security. It's just like how we only see the tip of a huge iceberg floating in the ocean, while most of it is hidden underwater. The deep web works in the same way, while most of it is hidden underwater. This part remains secure and confidential, which is not visible to us. The dark web, the veil of mystery and secrecy. Within the deep web, there's another layer called the dark web. This is a part of the internet that's intentionally hidden. To get here, you need to use special software and networks. The dark web is often used for illegal activities like buying and selling drugs, weapons trafficking, selling stolen information, and so on. Here, people work by hiding their identities, which makes them difficult to track down. Section 4. Like layers of an onion. Accessing the dark web. The dark web is a place where you'll find many mysterious and hidden websites. To access the dark web, you need to use a special browser called Tor. The Tor browser protects your online privacy. Tor stands for the onion router, which secures your online activities, because it hides your identity in multiple layers, just like the layers of an onion. This gives you online privacy. When you use the Tor browser, your internet traffic passes through many different computers around the world, which further strengthens your online security, making it nearly impossible to track where you're actually using the internet from. This way, you can use the dark web without any fear. Section 5. The dark side. Dangers of the dark web. Although the dark web can be used for some good things, like providing a safe platform for people who speak out against oppressive governments, it's mostly used for illegal activities. Here you'll easily find hackers, scammers, and criminals. If you're not careful, you can easily fall into their trap. Section 6. Conclusion. Caution is protection. Friends, the internet is like a double-edged sword. It can be used for good as well as bad. The dark web is an aspect of the internet that's full of mystery and secrecy. It can be a dangerous place if you don't know what you're doing. So always be careful, stay safe, and use the internet responsibly.